Hi everyone, my name is Vrisha. Today is the 24th of February 2024 and I'm going to be going over the results of week 9's testing of SPY of the strategy, which is the days open versus previous days close strategy. So let's get into it immediately. On the 20th, we can see that we had a sell signal for 2,194 shares, giving us a profit of 2,106.24. Which is a 0.19% profit, and that brings our cumulative portfolio return to 9.261%. Compare that to the SPY's daily return at minus 0.551%, brings our alpha up to 5.047%. Next, on the 21st, we had a sell signal, which gave us a pretty big loss at 3,952.32, which is a 0.362% loss, bringing our cumulative return down to 8.899%. And SPY's daily return, on the other hand, was 0.091% positive. So that brings its cumulative return of SPY up to 4.304%, and our alpha down to 4.594%. Next, on the 22nd, we had a buy signal, which gave us the biggest profit of the week at $7,548.87 US, which is a 0.689% return profit, and brings our cumulative return up to 9.587%. Since SPY also made 2.070%, this brings its return up to 6.374%, and it reduces our alpha to 3.214%. Next, on the final day of the week, the 23rd, we had a buy signal, which gave us a loss of $3,060.1 US, which is a minus 0.280% loss, and brings our cumulative return down to 9.307%. And SPY's daily return here was 0.069% positive, which reduced our alpha further to 2.865%. So this is just a short video going over the results, and although we ended up having a net profit this week, there were definitely some big losses which could have been avoided. But that's all for now. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.